Welcome back students to standard 10th maths chapter 11 construction, and we are in the 6th session, that is part 6. Alright, in the previous session we constructed two tangents from a point in the exterior of a circle, correct? Yes, in different situations. Now yes, here also we are going to construct two tangents, but the two tangents are inclined at an angle theta. Of course, theta is an acute angle. Alright, so construction of tangent to a circle with angle theta inclined between them. Now what is the concept? Try to understand. Okay, here is a circle, right, with center O. Yes. Now you have to draw two tangents. You have to draw two tangents which makes angle theta. Children, try to understand please. Here is a circle. Here is one tangent. Here is another tangent. Children, this is the angle inclined by the two tangents, theta. Children, recall, suppose this point is A, this point of contact is B. Here is point P in the exterior, O is the center, ये right angle, ये right angle, और इस angle को मैं बोलूं alpha. तो 90 plus 90 180, so remaining 2 also is 180. Alpha plus theta is equal to 180, correct? So alpha is equal to 180 minus theta. ये alpha और theta दोनों supplementary angles है, correct? So if this is 60, this will be 180 minus 60, and that is 120. Alpha will be 120. If this is 30, if theta is 30, then alpha will be 180 minus 30, and that is 150. If theta is 45, then alpha is 180 minus 45, and that is 135. If theta is 90, then alpha is 180 minus 90, and that is 90. I hope you can understand that. Children, here, where is point P? वो पता है कि it is in the exterior, but that you will get at the last. You don't have to take that point P in the exterior first. You have to draw the two tangents. You have to focus, you have to concentrate on two tangents and angle between them. Alright? Okay? Chaliye. So what you will do? First you construct any radius. उसको बाहर निकालना, कंस्ट्रक्ट एनी रेडियस ओ ए. आपको रेडियस ही कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है ओ ए, लेकिन उसको प्रोड्यूस करते आगे. देन यू आर गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अनदर रेडियस ओ बी. यू आर गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अनदर रेडियस ओ बी. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा. ये भी उसको भी बाहर प्रोड्यूस करना, सच दैट एंगल एओबी इज 180 माइनस थीटा. यहां थीटा चाहिए तो यहां 180 माइनस थीटा ले लो. चलिए चिल्ड्रन, यू गॉट दिस रेडियस. यहां आप एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, दैट विल बी द टेंजेंट. इसको परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, दैट विल बी द टेंजेंट. द टू टेंजेंट सपोज इंटरसेक्ट्स एट पी. ये 180 माइनस थीटा है, सो ये थीटा मिल गया. दैट्स इट. चिल्ड्रन, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल देन. यस, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ टेंजेंट्स टू अ सर्कल विथ angle theta inclined between them. Let's see the question. Construct a pair of tangents, that is what you are supposed to construct, to a circle with radius 5 centimeter, which are inclined to each other at an angle of measure 60 degree. Children, theta is 60 degree. So alpha will be 180 minus 60, and that is 120. Alpha is the angle between radii. दो रेडियाई के बीच एंगल 120 का होना चाहिए. ओके, ठीक है. लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट आई कंस्ट्रक्ट अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर O एंड रेडियस 5. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिग सर्कल. Radius 5 is quite big for a circle. So here, construct a circle with center O and radius 5. That is the first step. Steps of construction. All right, I'll write the steps at the end, right? So this is done. Let's say this is center O. first you construct any radius OA. यस 120 मतलब बिग एंगल चाहिए, यहां 120 चाहिए, उधर थीटा मिलेगा, यहां अल्फा मिलेगा, अल्फा 120, वो बड़ा एंगल है, तो जरा बाहर से आप आउटवर्ड ले लो. दिस पॉइंट इज A. सो ड्रॉ any radius OA. That's it. You are drawing it. Now you can't draw any radius OB. You have to construct radius OB such that angle AOB is equal to 120. Correct? तो उसके लिए हमको steps करना पड़ेगा. 120 एंगल का मेजर, ऑलमोस्ट अ semicircle. देन इसको सेंटर लेके फर्स्ट पार्ट 60 का मिला, इसको सेंटर लेके सेकंड पार्ट 60 का मिला. नाउ दिस पॉइंट, यस, नेक्स्ट रेडियस OB will be drawn from this point and I'll extend further. Alright, this point is B. Alright, and this angle is 120. Alright, okay, so angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 60 and that is 120. Alright, when I write the steps of construction, just pay attention and see how I write it. Okay, now we have to draw perpendicular to OA at point A. आप 90 डिग्री ले सकते हो, चलिए बाहर से ले लेते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट अ सेमी सर्कल, ये सेंटर लेके फर्स्ट 60 और ये सेंटर लेके सेकंड 60. सेकंड 60 को बाइसेक्ट करो. करेक्ट, ये सेकंड 60 जो सेकंड पार्ट है उसको बाइसेक्ट करो. यस, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी परपेंडिकुलर. ये रहा अपना टेंजेंट पहला वाला. ऑलराइट, यहां पॉइंट P आएगा, लेकिन सेकंड टेंजेंट ऑल्सो हैज टू बी ड्रॉन. ये राइट एंगल हुआ ना 90, यहां से यहां 60 और यहां से यहां 30, 60 प्लस 30 ये 90 हुआ. सो परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, सेम वे यू डू हियर. यस, इस बार मैं अंदर से लेता हूं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ऑलमोस्ट अ सेमी सर्कल, फर्स्ट 60, सेकंड 60, सेकंड 60 को बाइसेक्ट करना है. देयर यू आर. This line through these 2 points will be perpendicular. Correct? And this point is your P. And without any doubt, this will be 60 degree. क्योंकि यहाँ 120 है. Correct? And this is perpendicular. Finished. You have drawn tangents PA and PB. Okay? And the angle inclined between them is 60 degree. That's it. So now let's write down the steps of construction. What was the first step? Yeah, construct a circle with center O and radius phi, which is given. Then what you did? Construct any radius. Yeah, draw any radius OA. Correct? OA. But you have to produce that further. क्योंकि ये परपेंडिकुलर 90 डिग्री लेना है इसलिए. देन कंस्ट्रक्ट, अब कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा. कंस्ट्रक्ट अनदर रेडियस OB such that एंगल AOB इज इक्वल टू, यहां देखो 120 नहीं लिख रहा हूं, 180 माइनस 60 and that is 120 degree. ठीक है? Then what you are doing? Construct. इसको लाइन L बोलेंगे, इसको लाइन M बोलेंगे. Construct लाइन L perpendicular, बाइसेक्टर नहीं, perpendicular to OA at point A. वैसे ही कंस्ट्रक्ट लाइन M. Construct a line M perpendicular to OB at point B. All right, and which intersects line L in point P. P और P भी मिल ही गया. Required tangents PA and PB are thus constructed. Clear, children? Okay. So children, let us see the second example of similar kind. Yes, the angle inclined between the two tangents is 135 degree here. That's it. Let's see the question. Construct a pair of tangents to a given circle with radius 3.5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 135 degree. Quickly we'll do it. Okay. First I'll construct circle with center O and radius 3.5. 3.5 is here. Alright, that's the radius. Here is a circle with center O and radius 3.5. Okay. Let's say this center is O. Yes, we have to draw two tangents which are making angle 135. But that point in the exterior you won't get first. That you will get when you draw two tangents and they will intersect each other. And this time the angle inclined between them has to be 135. Alright. उसको हम theta कहते हैं. Theta is 135. So if you want to find alpha, it is 180 minus 135 and that is 45. So this is what you want, angle between the two radii. Now this angle between the two radii is not very big. So आप radius closely draw करिए. Alright, fine. This is one radius. Let's say OA. Correct? Then I am going to construct radius OB such that angle AOB equal to, yes, 45 degree. So 45 is bisector of 90. So पहले आपको 90 ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा. चलिए ये सेंटर लेके फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ 60. Take this center, second part of 60. This second part I am going to bisect. Okay. Pencil needs sharpening now. Two thick lines it is giving. Now this point, be careful, it's not yet 45. This will give you 90. So I am drawing a very light line. And this is what I want. Correct? From this point to this point, it is 90. I want its bisector. So I am going to draw two circles. One with this center, other with this center. Alright. Radius kuch bhi le lo. Yes. They are intersecting here. Correct? Now this is the radius OB. उसको प्रोड्यूस भी करेंगे आगे. और ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन विद द सर्कल हम, क्योंकि रेडियस है, OB इज रेडियस, सो B हैज टू बी ऑन द सर्कल. देखा, ये थोड़ा OA नीचे लेते तो और भी अच्छा रहता, क्योंकि ये एंगल बहुत छोटा है, 45 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ यू वांट लाइन थ्रू A एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू OA. उसको परपेंडिकुलर मतलब उसका टेंजेंट. उसी तरह यू वांट लाइन थ्रू B एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू OB. वो OB को परपेंडिकुलर, तो वो भी टेंजेंट बन जाएगा. करेक्ट? ऑलराइट, बाहर से ले रहा हूं. ऑलमोस्ट अ सेमी सर्कल. ये फर्स्ट 60, सेकंड 60, सेकंड 60 को बाइसेक्ट करना है. Luckily we got that point. Yes, through A and this point, if you draw a line, it's going to be, yes, line L. It's going to be perpendicular to OA. So it's going to be the tangent. उसी तरह अब B पे. चलिए, बाहर लो या अंदर लो? चलिए इस बार अंदर ले रहा हूं. अंदर ऑलमोस्ट अ सेमी सर्कल. बहुत मैस हो रहा है. फर्स्ट 60, सेकंड 60 वही है. ये थोड़ा बड़ा सा ले लो रेडियस, इतना बड़ा भी नहीं. ये सेंटर, ओके, फिर ये सेंटर, ओके, this point, yes, line through B, and that point of intersection is, yes, perpendicular to OB. Let's say this is line M, so वो perpendicular, and both the tangents, एक L और दूसरा M, they intersect each other at point P, and this angle measures 135 degree. It has become very untidy. Anyway, be careful, children. Let's write the steps of construction now. Steps of construction. Very quickly I'll write. Yes. Construct a circle with center O and radius 3.5. Then you are drawing any radius. Draw any radius OA. Alright, then you are constructing radius OB. Construct radius OB such that angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 135, ब्रैकेट में लिखो, and that is equal to 45 degree. Alright, फिर construct line L. Construct a line L. ओके, यहां सिंबॉलिकली लिखूंगा. लाइन L perpendicular to OA at point A. Then you are constructing line M perpendicular to OB. Construct a line M perpendicular to OB at point B, and which intersects line L at point, कहां दोनों इंटरसेक्ट हुए? एट पॉइंट P. रिक्वायर्ड टेंजेंट्स कौन से? PA and PB. PA and PB are thus constructed. Clear, children? Quickly moving on to the next one. Okay, it's number 3 of this kind. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle with radius 4.1 centimeter and which are inclined to each other at an angle of 90. Children, here theta is 90. So what will be alpha? 180 minus 90, and that is 90. So angle between the radii is also 190. Alright, I'll just do the construction work. Steps of construction I won't do. You can write on your own. पहले तो सर्कल विथ सेंटर O and रेडियस 4.1, या 4 और उसके बाद एक मार्क 4.1. Here you are. Here is a circle with center O and radius 4.1. Clear? This is the center O. Now we will draw any radius. Okay? OP, इस बार P बोलता हूं. ऑल राइट, एनी रेडियस OP. और ये 90 चाहिए. सो 90 तो आसानी से मिल जाएगा. 60, सेकंड 60 और सेकंड 60 का बाइसेक्टर. ये इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हुआ. चलिए, फर्स्ट 60, second 60. Now we have to bisect the second 60. Here it is. So this will give you 90. Yes, and that is what we want. So while drawing the radius, make sure that you produce it further. Let's call this point on the circle Q. So OQ is the other radius, OP is the first radius. Angle between them is 90. Now we have to draw perpendicular at P, which will be the tangent perpendicular at Q, which will be the tangent, and they will intersect in the point exterior. We will call that point A. ये 90 तो वो भी 90 ऑटोमेटिकली होगा. चलिए, अब परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करने के लिए बाहर में सेमी सर्कल, ऑलमोस्ट सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ करता हूं. फिर फर्स्ट 60, सेकंड 60, सेकंड 60 को बाइसेक्ट करना है. Here is the point. Correct? Now this line that I am drawing is L. It is perpendicular to OP. So that means that is tangent. इस बार मैं बाहर से ही करूंगा. Actually we are producing this outward so that from outside we can take angle of measure 90. So let's construct from outward only, or almost a semicircle. All right, then first 60, second 60 को बाइसेक्ट करना है. You got this point? This is another perpendicular here. So this is line M, tangent, and intersect at point A. So this time AP and AQ are tangents. ये right angle ही है. So angle inclined by the two tangents is 90. I'm not writing the steps. All right, you can write on your own. I hope it's clear to you. So here we conclude this session. See you in the next session with new construction. Till then, goodbye.